It's very good understanding shown by the two. A lot of changes in the field as well. It's going to be now Vishwa replacing Adarsh. Adarsh, well, he's done a very good job. A lot of fielders now in the deep for the left-hander. Paulie on strike. Well, warning a single. This could be the end of Kalabhavan. He's struggling there, and he's got to go back to the hut. More delight here for Telugu Warriors. Kerala strikers losing that 9th wicket now.
Yeah, it was a yes, no from both the players. First Nivin Paulie, who went for the run, then he said no. And by that time it was too late for Kalabhavan. Good throw from Adarsh, and very well supported by Vishwa. So another wicket goes down for Kerala strikers. Venkatesh is so happy. It's Kalabhavan who goes back to the pavilion after scoring 12 with 79 for 9.
Last man of the crease now for Kerala strikers. Paulie, well, he's done a fantastic job once again playing in the gap. Another boundary here for him. He's timing nicely. Moving on to 38 now with this strike. That's put him in style by Paulie.
He's been around for some time now. He knows how to bat in these conditions. And a poor delivery from Vishwa. Down the leg side. He only had to clip it, which he did so well. What was the fielder doing inside the circle? They already had 4 inside the circle. So there was one more man inside the circle trying to save a single. That resulted in a boundary there. Now he's been pushed back. That's the fielder going back on the onside. So what are they thinking? They can always give away a single and attack the new man, which is Mohan.
Once again playing very smartly as well, Paulie. He's running the first one hard and coming back for the second. Excellent running once again. He wants to farm most of the strike at this stage. Vishwa once again straying down the pad line. Running the first one very hard. Paulie, he was coming to the danger end. And does that with a lot of ease and comfort.
सोलह एफर्ट रहा है अभी तक निविन पॉली का. शॉट डिलीवरी फिर से कट किया. अच्छा शॉट. वहां पर एक खिलाड़ी मौजूद है. दूसरा रन लेना इस बार सही नहीं समझा. विकेट जरूर गिरा है कालाभवन का, पर इसमें रन्स भी आए हैं. 7 रन आ चुके हैं इस ओवर में और ऐसे ही रन्स की जरूरत है. कम से कम अगर कुछ टोटल हो जाए, 100 रन तक भी पहुंच जाए केरला स्ट्राइकर्स, तो फाइट कर सकते हैं. उनकी बॉलिंग और फील्डिंग काफी अच्छी है अजय.
बिल्कुल, और यही शायद उनका लक्ष्य होगा कि यहाँ से जितने भी रन ऐड कर ले, अगर 100 का आंकड़ा छू लेते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं कुछ होगा जहां तक गेंदबाज जो है गेंदबाजी कर सकते हैं. और फिर सपोर्ट चाहिए फील्ड में. नेक्स्ट स्टंप के बाहर एक बार फिर वाइड का इशारा. एम्पायर का सही निर्णय. थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कई दफा भटक रहे हैं अपनी लाइन और लेंथ से विश्वा, जो कि अपना पहला ओवर डाल रहे हैं. एक्स्ट्राज पहुंचते हुए 10 पे. 7 वाइड अभी तक इस इनिंग्स में. और अगर इस मैदान की बात करें सबा, तो निश्चित रूप से दर्शक अब काफी तादाद में आते हुए मैदान के ऊपर इसके बाद भी एक और मुकाबला खेला जाना है। इस बार लीडिंग एज लगा 88 पे 9 केरला स्ट्राइकर्स।